Okay, in this video what we're going to be doing is importing a knife as well as just two first-person knife attack animations. And in the next video we will go about setting that up so that we can start, pretty much just have a knife system. So what we're going to do is go over here to weapons, we're going to right click, create a new folder and call it knife. Open that up. And let's create another one. Let's just call it default. And this will be our default knife. So, as usual, in the description there will be a link to download a compressed file, download it and extract it. And you will have this folder here called knife. Inside it, you'll have the knife, the actual mesh. So let's go ahead and click and drag that in. Import. And let's create a new folder. Actually, we can just import the actual textures folder. Then grab the textures folder, drag and drop it in. Alrighty. Now, what I want to do is I kind of want to make a master material just in general for our substance materials. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to content, and I'm just going to do it honestly in the root. So I'm going to go to material, and I'm going to call it m_substance master. Open this on up, and we just want to have pretty much default textures plugged in. So let's see here. I'm going to go back to our knife, open up the textures, go to base. And this material is going to have a bunch of material instances made off of it. So we're going to drag the knife textures in. This is the normal, this is the base, and that's the occlusion. Okay, so the way we set this up is if we look over at this guy, we have occlusion, roughness, and metallic. The occlusion corresponds to R being first, roughness corresponds to green, and metallic to blue. So occlusion, roughness, metallic, normal to normal, and our base color to base color. I want to click on all of these and convert them to parameters. And I'm just going to call this guy base color. This one's going to be normal. And this one's going to be occlusion, rough, metallic. And hit save. And from now on, we'll be using this master material for pretty much everything. I'm going to make an initial material instance off of it and drag and drop it into the base of our knife. So it's right here. So let's rename this one to mi_knife base. And everything should realistically be the same because it's already set. So I Control W, drag and drop it into the gold decor. Rename this one to knife_decor gold. Open it up, search for decor, and we'll have the gold base, gold normal, and gold occlusion. Now we can Control W and drag it into silver, just so we have a variety, and change gold to silver. We're going to do the same exact thing here. So grab the silver base, silver normal, and occlusion, roughness, and metallic, and apply. So now we can go back to our knife here, open it up, search for knife under material, we're going to select the base. And there the base is applied. Now we can select either the gold and have this as our look, or silver. I'm just going to go with gold because it looks fancy. Next up, we want to import our animations. I'm going to go up here to Character, FPS, Animations, make a new folder, call it Knife. Open that up. We're going to drag FPS Knife Attack 1 and 2 right on in. The skeleton's going to be the FPS arm skeleton, and import all. Now we have our 2 knife attacks. So now we have everything imported, and in the next one we can go through and actually set these up in an animation montage and try to set up a knife class to apply, well, used to actually apply damage. But first we want to get the animations and all that playing fluidly. So I will see you in the next one.